Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to complete the Python for Data Science assignment 1A. The lab or the assignment instruction is like this. Okay, yeah. So introduction to Python programming. So the context, you are a software developer working on a project to build simple calculator application, and your manager has assigned you some initial tasks to get familiar with Python programming basics. This task will help you understand how to handle variable, use operators, and interact with users through input and output functions. And to complete this, I'm going to use the Google Colabs. So I have logged on to my Google account using my Gmail account. Then I go to the Colab. This is google.com. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to create the new notebook. Okay, yeah, I think this one is a wrong account, so I changed the account to the correct one. Okay, yeah, so assignment 1A. I will delete this one first, yeah. Are you sure you want to delete all three? Yes, okay. Then create a new notebook. You can complete this assignment with other tools, but I will be using this Google Colabs, yeah. So first, I rename this Ryan, and then after that the assignment 1A like this, yeah. Okay, then after that start, yeah. So the first, maybe I will enlarge the font a little bit. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, yeah. Task one, yeah, variable manipulation. In the Google Colab, you can create a cell for the code, and you can also create a cell for the text. Yeah, so here I'm going to insert the text first. Okay, insert the text. Yeah. After that, move up. Yeah. Then copy. Yeah. This is the instructions. Create a variable manipulation. Yeah. Okay. After that, this is a code. So the first is asking you to create the two variable, and then after that, yeah, to put the line break. You put the break like this. Okay. Yep. Create the two variable, name one num1 and num2, and assign them integer value. Okay, your choice. Yeah. Calculate the sum of num1 and num2 and store the result in variable called sum result, and then print. Okay. So let's coding. Yeah. Create two variable num1 and num2. Num1, and then after that equal to 7, for example, and then num2 equal to 8. Okay. And then you create the sum result equal to the num1 plus num2, and then a print. Yeah. Print after that the sum of the num1 plus num2 is okay. So I put here. Okay, so run. Yeah, so for the first time the bit a bit slow. Yeah, sum of num1 and num2 is 15. Yeah, this is task one. Okay, after that that's the task one. So total how many tasks? Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay, 8. Yeah, so there are 8. So the next one is task 2. Text first, text, yeah. Okay, after that I copy task 2. Okay, don't forget to put the line break. Okay, then after that add the code. Okay, operator exploration in the task 2. Create a variable named division and assign it the division of the result of the num1 and num2. And then create another variable. So this is still related to the cell 1. Yeah. Okay, so I put the division equal to the num1 divided by the num2. Create another variable name a reminder and then is assign the reminder when the num2 divided by num1. Okay, num2 we use the modulus. Yeah. Okay, then after that you're going to print the division result, the value of the division and the reminder in a single line. Okay, here you go. Yeah, print division result. Okay, so we use the placeholder for the division and the remainder. Okay, yeah, so you will see the result here. Division result is 0875, remainder is 1. Okay, create another variable named remainder and assign the remainder, yeah, and then print the value of division and remainder in a single line. Okay, yeah, so this is a fraction. Okay, then add the code, the text for the task 3 user interaction. So the user interactions first prompt the user to enter their name and then store the user input into variable name called username. Print the welcome message to the user using their name. Okay, yeah, so here add the code cell. Okay, first is the username equal to the input, enter your name. Okay, after that, we're going to print welcome followed by the username. So the F here is in the printing is for the formatting. So the format the output of the the text that we want to print. Yeah. So the format is a F. After that, the follow in the double quote. Then this is a placeholder for the variable username. Okay. So enter username Ryan. Okay. Welcome Ryan. Okay. Add for the task 4. Yeah. Task 4. String concatenation. Okay, this is the string concatenations. For your submission, you don't have to put this question task. Yeah. So not necessary. But this one is just for the documentation. Okay, yep. So add the code. First, create a variable called greetings and assign it the string hello. Yeah, okay. So greeting equal to hello. After that, you're going to type the message, and the content is the Python learner. Okay, here, yeah. Then concatenate the greeting and message together and store the result in a variable called a full message. Okay, so a full message equal to the greeting plus message. Okay, yeah. Then you want to print full message. Okay, yeah. Hello. So there is a space behind here, so you can have the uh, space in between. Okay, yeah. Uh, Number 5, task 5. Input and type conversion. Okay, prompt the user to enter a number and then store the user input into a variable called the user input, and then print the uh, print the data type of the user input. Okay, so here first user input equal to the input. Okay, after that enter a number. After that you print, yeah, data type of the user input is using the function type. Yeah. After that the user integer, the variable equal to the integer user input. Then you're going to print, yeah, data type of the user integer. Okay, run. Yeah, enter the number. You enter, for example, 23. So become the data type of the user input is the first string, and then the second is a integer. Okay, now we continue with the task number 6. Exponential calculation. Okay, then put the code here. Calculate the square of num1 and store the result in a variable called a square result. Okay, so you create the square result equal to the power of the num1. So the power arithmetic operator is using the double star and then followed by the number. Okay, after that continue with the temperature, cube result is a power 3. num2 power 3. Okay. And then print the both square and cube result with the appropriate message. Yeah, so square is the square result and a cube of the num2 is the cube result. This one is a typo. Yeah. Cube result. Okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now continue again with the task number 7. This is the last task. Yeah, 7 is the last task. Okay. Yeah, so put the breakpoint, the break line break. Okay, so first prompt the user to enter the temperature Celsius. Celsius equal to the input like this. Yeah. Convert the Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit using the formula. Yeah, but because remember this input is string, you need to convert to the float. Yeah. Then temperature in a Fahrenheit equal to the Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5. Then plus the 32. And then print temperature in Fahrenheit equal to the this one. Temperature F. Yeah. Okay, start. For example, 100. Yeah. So in the Fahrenheit is 212. Okay, so we have already completed the assignment 1A. Then you can execute the code in Google Colab Jupyter Notebook, install in your PC or Mac. Yeah, write Python code for each task separately. Include the comments in your code to explain each step. Save your Python script as a PYNB notebook with meaningful name like a calculator assignment. Okay, so we put this in this one assignment 1A, which is the calculator assignment. Okay, yeah. Then after that, submit IPYNB file in the submission section. Okay, so file. After that, I save. Yeah. After that, file. Download a copy. Yeah. Download IPYNB, and then also the download the PY. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look. The PY can be opened directly, but IPYNB cannot open directly. Yeah, so this one, yeah. Open with the notepad. Okay, yeah, so this is the text and also the Python code. But the one that you need to install, to upload is IPYNB. Okay, so I go to the LMS. After that, go to the assignment 1A. Nope. Here you go. 1A. Then after that, upload your assignment. Okay, so you need to upload the IPYNB. This one, yeah. Open. After that, yeah, submit. Okay, yeah. So this is already completed. And for your reference, I just put the into the themes. Where is my themes? Okay, here you go. Okay, PYD. After that, in the file. Okay, assignment and template. Then I will put here. The PY, which directly openable, yeah, can be opened with the yeah. So I put the Ryan assignment one, or maybe you can rename. Yeah, I will rename. Remove the Ryan sample. Yeah, rename. Okay. Yep. So that's the end of the assignment 1A.